Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Instagram crash problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, you need to open your mobile phone settings and scroll down. Now tap on your mobile phone apps and tap on search bar and search Instagram. Now tap on Instagram and scroll down. Now tap on storage. Now tap on clear cache and tap on clear data. And after this, go back. So guys, you need to open Play Store and tap on search bar and search Instagram. Make sure that your Instagram is updated or not. If not updated, so guys, first of all, update your Instagram update version. After this, go back. So guys, make sure that your phone is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data is turned on. After doing all these steps, your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comments and share.